In today's video, I'm going to show you Wowee Cleaner Reviews 2025. Scam or legit? When tested on everyday household surfaces, Wowee Cleaner can provide decent results. In kitchens and bathrooms, the cleaner seems to handle light grease, fresh spills, or soap scum reasonably well, and works acceptably for routine wipe downs. Users who buy into the all-purpose single bottle replaces many cleaners angle sometimes find some value, especially if they mostly do regular, light cleaning rather than heavy-duty degreasing. Its mild scent and claims of being non-toxic or pet-safe also appeal to people wary of strong chemical cleaners. On the flip side, several independent reviews and outside analysis tools raise warning signs. According to one watchdog site, the domain behind Wowee Cleaner is very new, registered in 2025, and scores poorly on scam detector metrics, raising red flags about long term reliability, transparency, and business practices. Multiple hands on reviewers note that Wowee struggles with heavy or baked on grime, old grease, or tough stains. Jobs that require actual degreasers or scrubbing still prove too stubborn. Others say that packaging spray nozzles may feel cheap, and the ultra concentrated claims tend to overstate how many uses you really get. Beyond performance, some of the marketing and business aspects appear questionable. The company website's trustworthiness score from independent scanners is low, and there seems to be limited independent user feedback outside the brand's own site or unknown review blogs. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does suggest you should moderate expectations and treat bold claims about miracle cleaning with skepticism. In summary, Wowee Cleaner is not obviously a scam. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.